In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design tattoos in Canva. If you want to sketch your next tattoo idea, build a flash sheet, or create a clean stencil-style design inside Canva, this process is much easier when your canvas and graphics are set up correctly from the beginning. The goal is to keep your lines sharp, your layout balanced, and your final file clean enough to work well for reference or stencil preparation. Start on the Canva homepage and go to the top right corner to click Create a Design. From the menu, choose Custom Size. Change the unit from pixels to inches, then enter 8 for the width and 10 for the height. After that, click Create New Design. This gives you a large, high-resolution workspace that feels more like a sketchbook page and helps preserve detail much better than a small digital canvas. Once the blank canvas opens, set up your alignment tools before adding anything. Go to the top menu, click File, then open View Settings. Turn on Show Rulers and Guides, and also turn on Show Margins. This is an important step because tattoo designs often rely on symmetry, spacing, and clean placement. Those visible boundaries make it easier to keep your composition organized and avoid pushing important details too close to the edge. Next, move to the left sidebar and click Elements. In the search bar, type in keywords that match the style you want, such as minimalist fine line geometric vector, traditional old school rose outline, or clean aesthetic snake silhouette. Then switch to the graphics results so you're looking at scalable design elements rather than photos. Choose a graphic that fits your concept and drag it into the center of the canvas. Using graphic elements here helps maintain cleaner edges and a more stencil-friendly look. After that, go back to the left sidebar and click Text. Choose Add a text box and type your phrase. Try to keep it short so the design stays readable and visually balanced. Then use the toolbar at the top to change the font. Script styles like Pinion Script or Alex Brush can give a flowing tattoo feel, while something like Montserrat Bold creates a cleaner, stronger look. Position the text so it sits neatly with your main graphic and aligns well with the guides. Before exporting, take a final look over the entire design. Make sure everything sits inside the margins, the spacing feels intentional, and the contrast is clear. Then click Share in the top right, choose Download, and set the file type to PNG. Most importantly, enable transparent background so the canvas background is removed. Finally, click Download to save your finished tattoo design file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you